Hello, welcome to another video. This time we're talking about electric and how you get it into your house, how it comes about, and what type of electric is. In Russia, the voltage is supposed to be 220 volts. It's around about 240 volts in reality, and it usually comes in three phases, which means three wires, cables coming in, each wire carrying 5 kilowatts of power. And that is split up in your house. So 5 kilowatts to say your kitchen and your front room, 5 kilowatts somewhere else, and 5 kilowatts somewhere else. That's how it's done. I know it's unusual to have 3 phase straight into a house. It's not what's done in Europe. So this is I wanted to show you what you're looking for when you're buying a plot of land. So this one here, as you can see, it's a nice new basalt. They've got nice photos of it, all grand. If you look down on the description of it, you can see here Электричество 15 kilowatt na każdy участок, which means that, and I'll translate it for you, it means there's electricity at each site. Each plot has 15 kilowatts, which is 3 phase. I remember each phase 5 kilowatts, so 3 phase 15 kilowatts, which is what you're after. But as you can see on this one here, go away, there is no what do you call the things for holding the cables up, stolbik, I don't know what you call it in English, I forgot. Posts, electric cable posts. There's none on this picture. Now, how old that picture is, we don't know. You'd have to go there and find out. But a word of warning: if you're buying into a new settlement like this, and there is no electric pylons there, while you're building the house, you need electric for your tools, whatever. For the people who are going to build it, who are going to live on the site, need electric. You can see this is a good picture actually. You can see this house has been built, and you can see there's a little shack there. This is called Butovka, and you see another one here. This site's obviously ready for being built on, but they've got a little Butovka there. That's where the builders usually stay. And there's another one over there, looking at the picture. They stay, and in fact there's a foundation on that one. Usually stay there and live on the site until it's completed. Now, if there's no electric, you've got to find a way of getting electric to it, and that means a generator. A generator uses around about 1 litre an hour or more, so you're looking at 20 litres a day or 24 litres a day of petrol, and that's got to be supplied every day. Current price is about 1,200 rubles or thereabouts for 20 litres. So you're looking at a week of close to 10,000 rubles, aren't you? So it's something to bear in mind very closely if you're buying on a site where there isn't established electric, especially in winter. If you're in winter and your workmen are living in a little shed like that, they're going to want the heating on all the time, 24 hours. And so your generator is going to be running 24 hours. Generators that run that long don't last long. You'd be lucky to get sort of 2 or 3 months out of them, then they die. So it's something to really consider if you're buying a plot like that, if there is already pylons on the site. And from a picture that may be old is no good. You've got to get to the site and have a look. Just because they promise electric, it's going to be done in a month, 2 months, a year, don't believe it. You need to see pylons there, because a month can turn into a year very easily. That's one site anyway. On to another one. This one here, you can see pictures of nice fields and blah blah blah. You can see the pylons there running down the road there, and you can see it's 3 phase. I can see it already. Thick cable running. So yeah, why do they put pictures of fields in these adverts? I don't know. But if you go through the thing again here, we've got another thing here where it says here 15 kilowatts. So let's translate that for you. The plots are participated intra-settler roads with the electric power for each section is released 15 kilowatts. The water supply, drinking water, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so but we're interested in today is the kilowatts. That's it, 15 kilowatt 3-phase, which is what you're looking for. So when you're looking at these adverts, that's what you're looking for. Other things got gas, electric. Just because it says electric like that doesn't mean it's 3-phase. And you can see this one here is another one, an older plot. It's not on a settlement, but on its own. It's a nice place here, out in the country, and you can see there. And it says it's got. I've already read this, obviously. You can see it's got electric there, but it doesn't say what it is. You'd have to find out what it is. But I would suggest, looking at that picture, that is only single phase electric. If it's single phase, that means it's the maximum. The maximum theoretically is 5 kilowatts of power. Reality is it's probably close to between 1.5 to 3 kilowatts of power. Now you might think, oh well, what's the difference? Well, the difference is that if you've got a kettle that runs at 2 kilowatts and you've got a washing machine that runs at 3 kilowatts, guess what? Your electricity will be tripping out every 2 minutes. Or your wires will get hot and burn your house down, one or the other. So it's very important. Normally they produce these single phase wires that only produce 3 kilowatts are in settlements where there is small thatcher type buildings where they're only used in the summer, where they don't need a lot of heating. So if you buy into a place like that and you're going to live there full time, you need the 15 kilowatts to support yourself. Otherwise you're going to be looking at other means of heating your home. It's very, very important. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up.